Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Explore the latest trends in modern partition and room divider design with our inspiring videos. From sleek and minimalistic screens to innovative shelving units, discover creative solutions to divide your space while adding a touch of elegance and functionality. Whether you are looking to create separate zones in an open concept living area or add privacy to a shared space, we have got you covered with a variety of stylish ideas to suit any aesthetic. Join us as we showcase the versatility and beauty of modern partition and room dividers and learn how to transform your interior into a stylish and functional oasis. Don't miss out on unlocking the potential of your space with these innovative design ideas. The most important aspect of room partition design is its ability to strike a balance between functionality and aesthetic. Here are some reasons that why it is important. Number 1. Room partitions serve various practical purposes such as creating privacy, dividing space, providing storage, or controlling light and airflow. The design should effectively address these functional needs while enhancing the usability of the space. Number 2. A good room partition design offers flexibility to adapt to different situations and user preferences. It should be easy to adjust, move, or even fold when needed, allowing users to customize their space according to specific requirements. Number 3. Room partitions should optimize space utilization by effectively dividing large areas into smaller zones without creating a sense of confinement. The design should maximize the available space while maintaining a sense of openness and flow. Number 4. The visual appeal of the room partition is crucial for creating a cohesive and harmonious interior design. It should complement the overall style and decor of the space, adding to its aesthetic appeal rather than detracting from it. Number 5. The choice of materials plays a significant role in the functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal of the room partition. Whether it's wood, glass, metal, fabric, or a combination of materials, the selected materials should align with the design concept and meet the user needs. Number 6. Room partitions should consider the impact on natural light and airflow within the space. Optimal designs allow light to filter through while maintaining privacy and ventilation, contributing to a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Number 7. Ultimately, the success of a room partition design hangs on the user experience. It should enhance the functionality and enjoyment of the space while addressing the specific needs and preferences of the users. By prioritizing these aspects in room partition design, you can create a versatile, visually appealing, and user-friendly solution that enhances the overall quality of living or working environment. In conclusion, the design of room partition is a crucial element in creating functional, flexible, and visually appealing spaces. By balancing functionality, flexibility, space optimization, aesthetics, material selection, lighting, ventilation, and user experience, designers can craft room partition that seamlessly integrate into the overall design scheme while enhancing the usability and enjoyment of the space. Whether dividing large areas, creating privacy, or adding decorative accents, room partition play a vital role in shaping the atmosphere and functionality of interior spaces. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.